Now, as Donald Trump continues to panic, he continues to attack the Somalian population. He's called the Somalian population total garbage. He's come up with the most racist and horrific statements about Somalian people. That's absolutely horrific. Also, Donald Trump announced that he would be lifting sanctions on the Russian multinational energy company, Luke Oil. So you know how Donald Trump said, we're thinking about imposing secondary sanctions on Russia. Nope. Not only is the Trump regime not imposing secondary sanctions against Russia, they've now announced they're actually going to be helping the Russian energy corporations because Donald Trump is a Putin bootlicker. Let's just call it what it is. Last night, Donald Trump held a press conference in connection with the White House Christmas tree lighting ceremony, where Donald Trump says everything in our economy is thriving, inflation has stopped. This is the golden age. Here, play this clip.
Our economy is thriving, inflation has stopped, our nation is strong, and America is back bigger and better, stronger, better than ever before. Think of it. And we're making peace all over the world. We're settling wars at levels that nobody's ever seen before. 8 of them. We're looking for one more. That's Russia, Ukraine, if that's possible. And I think we'll get there eventually.
Yep, war is peace, freedom is slavery, ignorance is strength. This would make 1984 look less dystopian by far than what we're seeing in this Trump regime. But you have a lot of MAGA Republican Congress members threatening to resign and very dissatisfied with what's happening in the Trump regime. Take a watch here of Congressmember Thomas Massie and others. Play this clip.
Missing in action in a lot of ways. The House is not in the driver's seat when it comes to key policy areas.
You have a lot of intelligent, hardworking people who gave up a lot of things to be here in Congress, only to find out that all they get to do is come here and rubber stamp whatever Donald Trump wants. Because nobody wants to be a rubber stamp. You could get a monkey to do this job.
This is real. This isn't AI. This is real. Hegseth responds, your wish is our command, Andrew. Just sunk another narco boat. And then U.S. Southern Command posts another death video. On December 4th, at the direction of Pete Hegseth, Joint Task Force Southern Spear conducted a lethal strike on a vessel in international waters operated by a designated terrorist organization. Intelligence confirmed that the vessel was carrying illicit narcotics and transiting along a known narco trafficking route in the Eastern Pacific. This one was in the Eastern Pacific. You take a look, it looks like it was another small boat right there.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about a simple story from the United States. This story became very popular in the news. People in America and in other countries started talking about it. The story is about the White House and about from President Donald Trump. I will explain everything. So let's start. Something strange happens. One night, something strange happened in Washington, D.C. The White House suddenly became dark. The lights were off. The building looked quiet and empty. People were surprised. The White House usually has lights every night, but this time it did not. People asked, why is it dark? Is something wrong? What is happening? Everyone became curious. News channels start talking. USA news channel start reporting the story. Reporters were standing outside the White House. They show the dark building on their cameras. Some reporters say it might be a power issue. Some say it might be a security check. Some say it could be something important. But nobody knows the real reason. People react online. People on social media reacted fast. Many people post videos and photos. Some people were worried. Some people were excited. Some people joke about it. Twitter, YouTube, TikTok and Instagram all had many posts. The story became very popular. Donald Trump also in the news. At the same time, former President Donald Trump was also in the news. Some people said he was rude. about new political or legal problems. Some news channels said he was in panic mode. This means he was stressed or confused. Because of this, people connected to dark White House to him, even if there was no real connection. This made the story even bigger. Why the White House light matter? The White House is the house and workplace of the President of the USA. It is very important building. It has many lights, cameras and security guards. So when the light go off, people think something is wrong. People think something big are happening. People want answers. That is why everyone was talking about it. Official give a simple explanation. Later, official said the lights might be off because the normal maintenance. Some things building need repairs. Sometime electricity needs checking. Sometime lights need to be fixed. This may have been the reason. But because the timing was surprising, people connected to talk about it. News channel use big titles. Media channels like big story title, they use title to make people check or watch. So they wrote White House goes dark, breaking news, what is happening in Washington, Trump in panic mode. These big titles made the story more dramatic. Millions of people watched the videos. Trump's other problems. At the same time, Trump had other problems. He had court cases, he had political pressure, he had many questions to answer. So, when something happens in Washington, reporters talk about him as well. This is why his name was in the story. Social media makes it bigger. Social media made the story even more popular. People made short videos, people made memes, people made funny posts, people made serious posts too. Everyone had their own opinion. Some people thought it was dangerous, some people thought it was nothing, some people thought it was funny. This pushed the story to millions of viewers. The lights come back. After some time, the lights come back on. Everything looked normal again. Security continued to work. Reporters continued to talk. But people still remembered the movement become it was unusual. Even a small event can become big news when it happens at the White House. Why people care about this story? People care because the White House is very important. Trump is always in the news. Anything unusual looks dramatic. Some media spreads things fast. News channels use strong headlines. That's why this story became viral. Here is the story in one short summary. The White House light went off. People got curious. New news channel report fast. Trump was also in the news. Social media made it viral. The light come back later. The event come back to big topic. Thank you for watching my video.